How to use Visa gift card on Steam. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to use a Visa gift card on Steam. It's a straightforward process, so follow along. I will show you the correct method for using any Visa gift card to buy games, expansions, or add funds to your wallet on the Steam website at store.steampower.com. Before we proceed, it's really important to note that using a Visa gift card on Steam depends on two main factors: your region and the acceptance of the specific gift card. Follow the steps I outlined to determine if your region allows adding funds or making purchases with your Visa gift card. Ensure that your Visa gift card is activated and issued by a bank or a service accepted by the Steam. First of all, select the game you'd like to purchase. Click on Add to Cart option. Click on View My Card. And from here, click on Continue to Payment. Under the payment method, go to the drop-down menu and make sure that you click on Visa option. And enter the required information. If your card is rejected due to the invalid credentials or compatibility issues, there may not be a solution. Attempt to complete the transaction using a Visa as a payment method to confirm. And I hope this guide assists you in using a Visa gift card on the Steam. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.